Dear students, in this video I am going to explain to you how you can convert BCD number system to other number systems. So BCD number system to other number systems, that is binary, octal and hexa. So how to convert BCD to binary, how to convert BCD to octal, and how to convert BCD to hexa. So these three conversions we are going to see today. So in this, you cannot directly convert BCD to binary, octal or hexa. You need to follow two steps. The first step will be BCD to equivalent decimal number. And second step will be the decimal number to binary or octal or hexa. So these two steps you have to do for converting BCD to any other number systems. First step BCD to decimal, and from this decimal to binary, octal and hexa. So BCD to decimal number system, it's easy, you can do it directly, and decimal to other number system we have already studied. So let me solve a problem with an example. Let me explain this with an example. So example problem I am giving you. Convert a BCD number 100111000. So this is a BCD number. So this BCD number should be converted to octal number. An octal number. This is the question for you now. What's the first step? The first step is to convert this BCD to decimal. You have to convert this BCD to decimal. That is going to be the first step. And how to write that? How to convert it? That you write the BCD as given, and you are going to group into 4 bits. So from the right side to left side, you have to group 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So you are going to group it, and you are going to write the equivalent decimal number of this 4-bit binary. So what is the decimal of this 1001? It is 9. What is the decimal of this? It is 1000. It is 8. So 98 is the decimal number. Okay. So the next step, the second step for this conversion will be, what is the second step? The second step will be this decimal number to octal. So this is the second step. So for decimal to octal number, you know the procedure, that is repeated division by 8. So repeated division by 8. So this is the method you are going to use for converting a decimal number to octal number. So we will do 98 is going to be divided into repeated 8. So the first will be 12 quotient, and the remainder will be 2. You know this, how this is done, how this is calculated. And again you divide it, you will get 1 as the quotient, remaining will be 4. And again you divide it, so 0 will be the quotient and the output will be, the remainder will be 1. So you can now write the answer as, from bottom to up you have to write, so 142 base 8, and this is the equivalent of the BCD 1001100. So this is the equivalent of BCD. Now you can understand that this BCD is converted to an octal with two steps. First step, BCD to decimal, and you got 98 as decimal, and from this decimal you are going to convert it to octal by repeated division by 8, and finally you are writing the answer. So in case if it is asked another an hexadecimal number, if it is asked, means what you have to do in the second step. First step is the same for hexadecimal conversion. The second step, instead of repeated division by 8, you have to go for repeated division by 16. So in case if you are asked to get the binary equivalent of this BCD, what should you do? After converting to decimal, this decimal should be divided with 2 repeatedly. Okay, so this is for octal, repeated division by 8, and this is for hexa, and this is for binary. So that's all about the conversion from binary to BCD to binary, octal and hexa. Thank you.